I will be the queen of dancehall in 2023.
Congratulations and
It's something that I really cannot explain for what it is, but you have to experience it.
I dance this.
All right, welcome to the social media countdown. I am Winford Williams, and we have so much topics. Yeah, man. So for this Halloween edition of the countdown, I decided to be one of my role models, Winford Williams himself, and so yeah, we're going to just do this in fine style. All right, welcome to On Stage. On Stage. Box cover, this is Duttyberry, and welcome to this special Halloween edition of the social media top 10 countdown. We have quite a number of topics to get into, so let us just do the do. We'll be right back after these messages.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Jamaican Halloween. Migungo. Alright, so we're gonna start off this now because several Jamaicans, even though the Halloween topic is kind of like a little controversial in these local streets, yeah man, some Jamaicans decided to dress up and be a part of the holiday festivity. So first up is Shenseea. Now Shenseea decided to go Freddie Flintstone style because she got her and her son to dress up in, you know, Flintstone attire. Yes, so Shenseea was Wilma, and her son Rogero dressed up as Fred Flintstone. These are the pictures. And now we're going to move this all over into the Asian streets because he had social media personality legitimate, and he decided to take things to Pokemon. He dressed up as Ash. I wanna be the very best that no one ever was. On stage. Why do I keep doing that? All right. That's what Winford does. All right. And so now I'm going to head to what I thought was probably one of the best, one of the most genius ideas for Jamaican costume this year. And this was somebody literally dressed up as the wellness bench.
You serious?
I know one thing that
Come on, round of applause. That officially won Halloween. So, Burritos, let me know which of these was your favorite Jamaican Halloween outfit. Sound off in the comments. Number 9, Safari Flow Tin. My shoes bottom. Okay, no, so you know Safari, him always enjoy for himself. He's always just celebrating for him Jamaican-ness. Like me, I wonder if he's more Jamaican than the actual flag. Yes, Safari is just that personality. And so one of the things, if you know Safari, he's always trying to keep up with all of the latest dance move them. And so this time it is no exception because he was actually caught doing Lali's dance for his new single called Floating. You know the song we say, surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing, everything we sing, it's a thing. No anything and bad mind could have never nothing. Them say that in a one, say that when I win. Nah, next then never no thing. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, this was what Safari did.
I dance this.
Surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing. Everything was sing, she's a ting ting. Don't have run with my face, ting ting. Bad mind that they best up ting. Them say that they the one, come and still a win. Now
You said that's a dance.
I think he captured the vibe. I think he had the energy. He never really have the moves them at all. But I thought him have the spirit feet, man. Him have this. So round of applause for Safari's effort. So the readers, I'd love to hear from you. How much out of 10 would you give Safari for his execution of the floating TikTok challenge? Number 8, Rebel says, me AC. Okay, yeah man, that we're gonna work with. Alright, so Dancing Rebel, her name has been, you know, in the social media streets very much recently because of some little, yeah man, them little, and yeah, we're just going to ignore that because right on this page, we support Dancing Rebel, okay? And so some people have said them sharing some video, but like honestly, come on man, that ain't that girl. Leave that girl alone. Girl just celebrate our party and birthday and all of these things, and she's looking very good. So we're gonna just big up Dancing Rebel right there. So anyway, where she there? But she actually did pose a question on her social media, and this is what she was asking.
Alright, so what's the idleness? Name something you can say during sex and at your dinner table. Me first. Let me taste that.
What can you say around the dinner table that you would also say in the bedroom? What else can you say, like?
Name something you can say during sex and at your dinner table.
Oh no, that's kind of disgusting. Jesus Christ. You want something for drink? Why are all of these filthy thoughts in my brain? But Burritos, maybe you have more pure and wholesome thoughts. What will you do? Answer. Sound up in the comments. Number 7, R.I.P. Leonie Forbes. Me local theater. Wow. So Burritos, from what they would have lose all our cultural icons them. And so it was just so sad that we lost Jamaican actress, very beloved Jamaican personality, Leonie Forbes at the age of 85. No, I know it might have come as a surprise because Leonie was actually still doing a lot of local theater into her late stage of her life. And, you know, I think the whole entire arts community here in Jamaica, of course, is saddened by her passing, but we are very grateful that we got to see her for so many decades, basically showcasing her talent and passing on her knowledge to the next generation of actors and creatives in the Jamaican space. Now, I just going to read a little something and show you some little picture about the great legendary Leonie Forbes. I'm just very, I'm a kind of sad. I don't think I got to meet her. So I'm very sad, but I have a lot of friends who had had conversation with her, and they kept on saying that she was always open to giving advice and to giving critique, and she was someone who embraced a lot of the youth. So yeah man, that is definitely something that she'll be remembered by.
Nothing going to happen. You know, you're not announced, so you can't talk. So. And the Thursday, I went Monday night.
Leonie Forbes, the doyen of Jamaican media, theater icon. She was one of the first voices on the Jamaican Broadcasting Corporation. She was in a lot of like local theater. We are talking about the Jamaican play, them, the pantomimes, etc. She was also an author. Now, Burritos, at this point in time, I want to take a little moment of silence for just, you know, just give to Leonie and to just pray for continued strength for her family and friends. Yeah, I know that you've done that. If you don't know about this woman, please go do a quick little Google search. Go look about every single thing about her. And I hope that the TVJs and the CVMs and the Gleaner and the Observer will actually do some, you know, publish some stories and some articles that will really update this generation and who this woman was. Because Leonie Forbes, the same way you have Miss Lou and you have them cultural icons there, Leonie, very much so a part of that conversation. My
time has come. You must continue your journey without me.
What are you? What?
Number 6, DJ Khaled, Sheffins, Migungo Stew Peas. Okay, no, Saberidos, no. DJ Khaled, just like Safari, is very much Mr. Brand Jamaica. Anything black, green, and gold, he will show up there like our local superhero. But me never really know about DJ Khaled in the cooking something. So he decided to just show us that he is about that food life, very much so by posting this video on his social media. Now you see him with this big hell of a lasting pot, saying that he is cooking oxtail, but that never really looked like sauce oxtail to me. That looked like he was being innovating and crafting something that I am going to call oxtail soup.
Come get this oxtail. Look at this oxtail. Look at this oxtail. Y'all think it's a game? Look at this. Get in the whole, show them everything. You know what I'm saying? It's Oxtail Wednesdays. So it's only right with some rice and peas. You know what I'm saying? And then you gotta hit them with that cabbage. Right? But hold on. Yes, Oxtail Wednesdays. But it's lobster every day. Tell them to bring out the lobster. Tell them to bring out the lobster. Every day. I told Chef Melissa I want lobster every day. Every restaurant I walk in, I want lobster. Tell them to bring out the lobster.
Oh wow, I'm not gonna lie, like that definitely does look like oxtail soup, but let me just say this. If anything ever tastes good, it would be oxtail soup, because Jesus Christ, man, mwah, mwah, magnifico. That is it. And you also have the little lobster on the side, so right there, you know, so DJ Khaled pocket is definitely tall, because how many Jamaicans can put them two food combination them together in a one meal? Oxtail were expensive, and lobster, that's a strawberry ill taste. I'm gonna make my little packet of my little chukumpengs, like stay in these little, you know, stay in a little wholesale and them little something there. Yeah man, right, there's a Crossroads, downtown, supermarket, wholesale vibes, and there's on my packet there right now. So, burritos, what do you think of DJ Khaled's attempts to cook oxtail? And I'd love to hear from you. When you have the money like that, when last have you actually bought oxtail? And when last have you actually bought lobster? But want to hear which one of the burritos them have the finances up like that. Sound off in the comments. Number 5, school, children, praise. Me praise and worship. Okay, burritos now. On the last couple social media countdowns, me tend to talk about the school youth them and some little negativity where are going. But this time around, we are making a change. We are pulling a 180, and I want to celebrate the youth them when them are do good, because when them do bad, we don't chastise them. So when them are do something that we can say is positive, we have to give them some praise. Okay, give them a pause. So I saw this video on TikTok with some school youths gathering around to do the unexpected. They weren't singing chopper songs. They were doing their own praise and worship. Take a look. Oh wow man, oh wow, yes, I forgot applause. The youth them, they did great. Like honestly, I just love to see this. I wouldn't mind seeing a video like this every single week, because boy oh boy, I'm not gonna lie. You see, when you talk about praise and worship, that was my favorite part of school. Farm worship devotion, oh my God. Because people talk about the little secular song them, you see, when you got church, the church song them have the hits. Because when you're going at the vibes part of the church praise, you know, man, this is the dancehall segment. When you start for like, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, Father Abraham, oh my God. I guess when you segue in like the middle of the dance now, when you start with blessings and honor, glory and power, be unto the ancients of days. Oh my God, send down the rain. Send down the gospel rain. It soon be done, it soon be done. All the oh my God, the best part of the praise and worship. And then when you pass that now, and the dance so good done now, you have to just kind of mellow in everything now. You draw for the gospel souls. Like, as the deer panted for. I have to can't sing for that, no, because if you can't sing, when them start for harmonize now, you're gonna get left at the back of the class fully Rosa Parks position, and then you're going to the little into my heart, into my heart. Oh my God, best set of song them. And then when you really wrap out the dance, this is the Celine Dion segment when you really tell everybody say, alright, don't know, is when you bring in like the little prayer. So you have like you know, you can pray like our Father, here, you can that. Or you go for the one that, wait again. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil because you know, see, I forget right there, so me not remember now, I'm not even a lie to them. Me not remember right there, so in the presence of my enemies, thou preparest a table before me. When I come catch me asleep. In the presence of my enemies, thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercies shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord. So that amen. That's how you go. Yeah. No man, bury that bad. Me rusty bad. Well rusty. I know me alone. I can carry one and one burritos down with me because I know I don't remember neither. Some I want to rusty as well. But let me know, burritos, what is your favorite praise and worship song? Sound up below. Number 4, Amari, new queen, me dancehall. Okay, burritos, now this is something that, boy, I did not see coming. You know Amari, it has been a while since I actually talked about her on the social media account, but they give her a little pause. But now Amari is back making her sights on 2023 because she is now declaring that she will be the leading lady in dancehall. Take a listen.
Be the queen of dancehall in 2023. Now our October, November, December, this song, King of Kings, we're marching in. January, I did that. Send the earth, send the garbage collector, I done them do. Me not care how them want dress up like a Jezebel. Me not care how them want them do. Amari, why them out in a dance song? I said the thing I see.
Oh wow, yeah man, 2023 is coming. So basically, Amari said that she is ready to go dethrone Spice. She is ready to be the new leading lady in dancehall, and you know what? I have seen stranger things happen. I actually feel like she can do it because if she did it once, she can do it again. Because you must remember when she did drop the Big Monster single.
Nico, you mash up my life.
That is how you believe in yourself. That is exactly how you believe in yourself. But at this point in time, you know, man, you know what I'd love to say? I would have loved to see Amari link up with guess who? Guess who? Queenie.
When they see my picture, they my double tap. Double tap, me say they my double tap. Dirty bongo.
Can you imagine Amari and Queenie? Like I keep on saying it, like you see, anytime we book up the two of them in our video together, is either they're going to be the bestest of friends or the worst of enemies, because that is just a social media moment waiting to happen.
I run too much joke, yeah.
Amari and Queenie take New York. No, come on, man. You could have pictured that on E-News. Jesus Christ, like somebody can produce the show that right now. We are ready for it.
When? Which part of our time?
But let me know, burritos, do you think that Amari will be able to take over in 2023? Sound off in the comments. Number 3, me and no thief, me van back. Now, burritos, you might have seen this video circulating, making the rounds on social media with this brother who declared that he does not steal, he was not stealing. I chop him a choppy line. Take a listen.
Me and no thief. Me and no thief. Chop my choppy line. Me and no thief. We are not, you know, hear what I'm saying. Somebody tell a youth just to come pick them up. And that's how we end up. I feel away.
No, honestly, you have to just take bad things and laugh, because Jamaica is clearly not a real place. The brother say, I chop him, not about the thief in life. Like, what more you need to say about that? That is, I don't know what I'm going with Jamaica right now. But this actually reminds me that of that video that some years ago, Queenie actually did, where she was caught taking some stuff in a store, and she put out a video that said that she's not a thief, she is a shoplifter.
In all manner media, I kill up myself and I argue with this girl. But in truth and the matter is, 1,000 million trillion people shoplift at their time. The security, the police, nor the store owner not allowed to take a video clip or a picture of someone and send it out to the public. That's breach of my privacy.
So when I'm a thief, I'm a shoplifter. Because coming in a shop, come thief, me not got nobody else got thief, them think that's different.
That is actually how I got introduced to Queenie. So, boy, I don't know if this brother would have that similar sort of situation, but boy, oh boy, like, Jamaica is crazy, but all me have to say is just like, stay safe, stay prayed up, because these streets, it'll move very cold. That's all I can say, readers. But let me know what you thought of this brother's plea. Number 2, Shaneil Muir on stage. Denomination. Okay, yes, that's what we're working with. Okay, readers. So Shaneil Muir, I mentioned on the last social media countdown, had put out a series of videos, a series of posts that was talking about the fact that she felt very uncomfortable being in the dancehall space and all of the turmoil and the negativity, and she wanted to depart from that. She wanted to go back to her roots, which was in Christ, in church. So, you know, many people online were wondering if this was some sort of stunt. What was really happening? Was this something that was just going to be a fleeting moment? But, you know, I'm very happy that Shaneil Muir, she decided to go to on stage to clear the air and to reassure her fans.
Well, I must say, I've always been, if it's even a small ounce of faith in my spirituality and, you know, morality and stuff like that, I've always held on to that, no matter how deep I got into the genre of dancehall. So, you know, it just came to a point where even spiritual beings, you know, spiritual people as well, who are indulged in this as well, they know, they may understand more than other people may allow themselves to understand. So it's something that I really cannot explain for what it is, but you have to experience it. And I just made this decision because I think and I know that this is the best decision I will ever make, and I just want to go on that journey. Other things have happened in my life that have contributed to, you know, putting that on it to, you know, Shaneil, this is the time to make a decision and move forward. And this has been that moment.
Yes, you know, Berritos, but, you know, I'm just so happy for Shaneil Muir. Like, win, lose, or draw, whatever Shaneil choose, I am going to support, because I think if you're a fan of Shaneil, you know, so Shaneil was very much different. Even though she does sing some little Quintan Cat sang them and the little India and all kind of stuff, there was something very pure and different about Shaneil Muir. It's like we knew that she was cut from a different cloth. Like, she was doing dancehall, but she did it with a certain honesty, and it was a different class. Like, something just about Shaneil Muir that just said that she was covered differently. You know, and so I think that her positioning herself in Christendom is definitely, you know, she probably stepping into her calling, and I think she will do very well because she is talented. She's the same woman who did Yamabella, and we know that she doesn't play with her pen, and so I feel like her doing gospel, or she can find songs that are meaningful, she will still have a place in the Jamaican music industry. So all the best, Shaneil Muir, but Berritos, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about the fact that Shaneil says she will still perform her rest? Show them.
Me want right for your money. Ish katai.
Got that kind of boy, oh boy. So she go up there and sing the song with she and governor, and people know so she said Jesus Christ right now. Boy, let us see Berritos.
From I get the break, man, I stop work full of prayer. Yeah, I put God first.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Sanchin, and you are watching the Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Mwah.
And number 1 goes to Outburst Comedy J.A. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Outburst Comedy J.A. show. No, Berritos. Like, I have to just say this. I have been having an amazing October. I am so grateful for all of the blessings. I feel like God has shown me really political signs, and I am humbly receiving it. Wherever it might take me in terms of where my career is headed, I am just honoring it because I'm just so grateful. So, you know, a couple weeks ago at the National Honors, I got to meet Shirley Ralph, the legendary actress Shirley Ralph, and that was just quite a moment, and I get to tell her how I'm proud and all of these things, so that was great. And you know, now I got the opportunity, thanks to the Outburst JA team, to really meet and get a quick interview with the original king of comedy, Cedric the Entertainer himself. Now I have the full interview, the full chat right here, so you can go and check it out now. Over 30,000 views on YouTube. I couldn't believe when I support it like this. But I'm giving a little prips right now.
So let me introduce myself. Give me something. Alright, so I'm a social media personality, YouTuber, influencer, all of that. Right? right, good. My catchphrase is box cover. It really means, oh my God, it's just shock. You get me? So for example, you had a glass of water, the water fell on the ground. You say box cover. It's shock. But you have to say it with a lot of energy, Cedric. Box cover. Box cover. Box cover. Yeah, so one, two, and you have to do it with your hand. So the camera is right there. Yeah. So you go, so box cover. Box cover. All right, man, that is it. All right, so you know the stir fry? I don't know the stir fry. I'm not really, so the stir fry, when you're cooking, the stir fry. So start off with this first move. So you're spinning around things in the pot. So you just go so now, ready? So it's a simple like thing. And while you do that. Okay, you have to look forward now, ready? Yeah, so stir fry. Next one now. Okay. This is TikTok, you have to go there. This is badness, right? So you're going to step like a gangster now. So you see this? Like that. No, you have to go from side to side. Okay. Hold your hand like this, man. And then, just like that. Simple as that. Big up yourself in a second. All right, bless. All right, good. Yeah, man, thank you. So I got some stuff. You got it. All right, good. All right. Big up, man. Yeah, man, so it was the show, it was the weekend gone with Cedric the Entertainer, Christopher Johnny Daly, Major Hype, Rita B, and people, it was quite a vibe. I still can't believe I got an interview with Cedric the Entertainer. Like, this is just so great. Like, boy, we just feel good. Things are aligning, and we're just so grateful. And so I also got to the show, checked it out. Yeah, man. I'm just glad to Cedric the Entertainer never get boo, because when I know so the last event, Mike Epstein get boo, and that was quite, kind of sad and unfortunate. Maybe the next time I'll do a little bit more homework. Very embarrassing. Yeah, I just don't know. You know what I mean? No, hold on. I'm a country nigga. But this time around, I felt like both the American acts that they did their research, and I could see their effort, because a Jamaican crowd is not easy to please, because we see comedy every day, left, right, and center. For somebody to go up there and to make a Jamaican laugh, you have to go and give them props. So the show went well. Major Hype, he killed as usual, because him have some inappropriate joke. They no man. Me tell you are going to just laugh from the deepest point of your belly bottom. Like, that is just like the Major Hype way. And but more of implore more Jamaicans to actually support the arts, support local theatre, support the stand-up comedians. I talk myself included, because when you do spend the money and you go here, you realize how many different players you have who are working hard to really uplift and get recognition for their various industries, but they need the support.
No, it would have been remiss of us. Minister Bench, please take a bow. Entertainment is strong in Jamaica. You can see what's going on. Yeah. No, because Minister Bench, I'm glad you're here. Come and beg your money next week. I'm on the money. Because we need help. No one big of say, stop diggy dum diggy dum diggy dum diggy dum diggy dum. You must say a word, get it on. That's a real word, no word, must say it. Nigga, I was getting it, dog, in the middle of the ball, man. I made about $18. It was good. It was enough to pay for parking. I don't know what y'all talking about.
So anyway, I'm just so happy to let me get my interview with Cedric the Entertainer. Like, who is next? Who next to come Jamaica? Or maybe I need to go abroad. Stay tuned until next time on stage. All right. There you have it. Another fantastic social media countdown, everyone. Do remember, keep entertained. Keep right here on stage with Dutty Berry. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown, the Halloween edition. If you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up button, click the like button, Also, to leave a comment down below, turn on the post notification, let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, share the video with your friends and your family. Do not forget to subscribe because we're trying to head to the 300,000 subscriber mark. So yeah, help me to achieve that goal. If you want, follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. Christmas is coming up. Me know I have the staff party and all kind of events. So feel free to book me. Reach out to me right here. So bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, to advertise in the countdown as well. Or same email address. Okay, take care until next time. Dun-dun-dun. Oh God, I'm tired.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened at the week, yo, just tune in, zine.